So they give you all your accessories, your hoses and clamps, little manual in here, and this is the unit itself. Now there's plenty of space for spooling up very long hose. Now the hose that they provide you with is not as big, just a small little hose. Please keep in mind you will need to provide your main hose. So what you'll do is you'll take this piece here and you're going to thread this on right inside here. So you pull, let loose. You pull and you can see it right on here. So you can stop it. When you want it to go past, you just pull it past that and then you let go.